Mental arithmetic number 15. This one's a little tougher, so I'm going to try and go a little slower. 3 times 39 divided by 13. Subtract 9 and add 6. Multiply it by 11 and subtract 9. Divided by 3. Add 2. And multiply it by 3 and multiply it by 7. Add 3 divided by 4, multiply it by 9, subtract 5 and add 6, subtract 7 and add 8, multiply it by 11 and divide it by 91. Subtract 1 and divide it by 12 and subtract 13 and add 15. And the answer is 12. All right, have a close look at the equation. The very beginning it says 3 times 39 divided by 13. I tried to say that quickly so that you would see that 39 divided by 13 is 3. So 3 times 39 divided by 13 is the same as 3 times 3, which is 9. Subtracting 9 gives you 0, and adding 6 gives you 6. Multiply that by 11 is 66. Subtract 9 is 57, and divide it by 3 is 19. Adding 2 is 21, and then you're going to multiply it by 3 and multiply it by 7. So 21 times 21 is basically what you're doing, and that's 441. Adding 3 more is 444. Dividing that by 4 gives you 111. Multiply that by 9 is 999, and subtracting 5 and adding 6 just is the same as saying adding 1 more. So 999 plus 1 more is 1,000. Subtract 7 plus 8 is the same as saying plus 1. So you're adding 1 more to 1,000, which is 1,001. Now remember, 1,001 is the same as 7 times 11 times 13. Now what you're going to do is multiply it by 11. So in your heads you should have 7 times 11 times 13 times 11. Dividing that by 91, you're taking out the 7 times 13 and you're left with 121, which is where you're at right now. Subtracting 1 gives you 120. Divide that by 12 is 10. Subtract 13 is negative 3, and add 15 at the end gives you 12. How did you do?